right, we are back at camp. It's rainy and cold. We just pulled in. Nick and the girls are right behind us. Okay. Go for it.
Wait, no, it has to be. You can go down. And then you. Okay, and me.
Nice.
Okay, now both of us.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Bathroom run. Come on, Lana. Addie and her lake friend. Here's our little cabin for the weekend. And here we have the birthday girl. Almost 30.
Yeah, how are you?
All right, I went to pick up Subway for the family. We just got to the cabins for the day. We're just hanging out, having a fire, spending time with family, and then I just made a pit stop at my favorite little waterfall. You can hike all the way down to the base of it, and when I do, I could just sit there and hang out for hours, if not days. I haven't gone down to do the actual hike yet, so hopefully the next couple days I'll make some time and space to slowly hike down there with the girls. So that is the plan. It's such a nice hike, but with little legs it takes so long, and that's okay. Nice and steady, moving slowly, as long as we're prepared, but hopefully that'll be in the plans, maybe tomorrow if it's rainy and overcast like this. And then now I'm getting back to the fam, and we're gonna eat our subs and snuggle up, have a fire. Yeah.
It is like fire.
Good fire.
I mean,
Good job, Grandma.
I mean,
Someone just woke up from their nap, all refreshed with Daddy, looking at the lake. We're gonna go check in and see what the girls are doing. There are the girls. See, I'm gonna vlog it. Little play area for the babies. Whoa, Lane, you're cool.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna.
Woo! Meow, meow. Are you gonna take that thing out in the water?
I caught an ant vlog.
Camp dads be like,
Want to see it? Poke it.
careful, Lana's right behind you trying to grab it.
Ready? Be quick.
What are you gonna do with that?
Nothing.
We're gonna fry it up and eat it.
That would be a really small meal.
Who's last day? Oh. She definitely nodded.